Let's fill out the Arkansas ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling or buying an ATV in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. Both the buyer and the seller will need to put their signatures on the document, so make sure everyone is present or can sign before the transaction is complete. Now, one important thing to include is an odometer disclosure statement. This means you'll need to record the current mileage on the ATV, and both parties should acknowledge that reading as part of the paperwork. Also, if there is a lien on the ATV, meaning someone else has a financial claim on it, you will need an official release of lien before the sale can move forward. This protects the buyer and makes sure the vehicle transfers with a clean ownership history. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.